This video will help you prepare for and complete a co-op pre-placement assessment with your potential host in an industrial or manufacturing setting to make sure students are entering a safe, knowledgeable, and prepared co-op environment. Before doing a pre-placement assessment, be sure to familiarize yourself with the questions and required forms prior to your meeting. Arrive at your destination on time, bringing all necessary paperwork with you. It's important to develop a positive relationship with the community host. Be sure to greet the mentor with good eye contact, a smile, and handshake. In some instances, the host may want the co-op student at the assessment so they can meet them and discuss opportunities. Sometimes a community host will only make a decision on a student after meeting them. After initial introductions, take some time to sit with the community host to answer questions and review paperwork. The paperwork includes the pre-placement assessment form and checklist, the learning agreement, and any paperwork the community host may have. The pre-placement assessment form can offer a lot of information about the host site and if that site will be a good fit for your student. This is also the ideal time to ask about the types of experiences that could be available for the student, tasks that may be required of them, and skills they can develop. Find out if there will be a wide range and scope of learning experiences. Ask if the student will need any specific training before they are allowed on the floor. For example, when working in an industrial setting, safety and awareness are paramount. First aid and WMIS will most likely be required. Will your host be providing any of the necessary training? If the student is already certified in any of the safety courses required, let your host know. Ask about personal protective equipment, PPE, dress code, and appearance. Is there a uniform or are there safety measures taken, like ear protection, high-vis vests, and eye protection? Will safety footwear, such as steel-toe shoes, be required? After you have had time to discuss possible co-op opportunities, it is time to take a tour. The tour will allow you to see the facility that the student will be working in. Look for safety hazards and ask questions about anything unclear to you. For instance, working in an industrial setting will require ear protection and steel-toe shoes, but also a high level of self-awareness working around extreme heat, moving vehicles, excessive noise, and power tools. After your tour, take time to sign off on any paperwork that may need either your signature or that of your host. Before leaving the site assessment, thank your host for their time, the tour, and their interest in being part of and supporting high school cooperative education.